Beginning in our POS version 172, we've added the new void tender function. The void tender function lives in the other tender section. You can also add the button to your main screen if you wish. If you don't see it here, email support@insightrs.com and we can update your system. Let's see how it works. We're going to add a few items to our transaction. Now we have our balance of $26.05. Now let's say someone gives us a $50 and I accidentally enter $5. Now as usual, you can just now enter $45 and hit the cash button, and then you'll get the correct balance to give back in change. But let's say we want to void out this $5. Go to other tender, hit void. We're going to see a list of all the tenders we've entered. In this case, there's only one. We can choose the one that we want to void out, and then we'll hit void tender. Now the balance goes back and we can enter $50 cash. Now let's do another transaction with multiple tenders. You'll notice throughout this demo that when I do a credit card or offline credit card tender, it's adding 4% to whatever I enter. That's because this demo has cash discounting / dual pricing set up. For more info on that, check out the video above. Let's add some items again. Okay, let's do $5 in credit card. Now this will work if you have integrated credit cards as well, but in this case, I'm just entering $5 and this can simulate a partial approval. Now, if you have integrated credit cards, you're probably already familiar with the void credit function. This function allows you to undo a partial credit card approval within a transaction. For more information, watch the video above. Void tender will also undo any integrated credit card approvals. So let's enter another tender. Let's do $15 in cash, and we'll go crazy here and do another $1 in offline credit. So now we've entered a few tenders. It's not your usual transaction, but it's a good example. We can hit void tender, and now we'll see all of the tenders we've entered, and then choose which one we want to undo. Let's say we're not doing offline credit. Let's void that out. It'll put the balance back to what it's supposed to be, and we're going to do cash for the rest. Now, as usual, if someone decides they don't want the products at all anymore, or if you need to take some products out of your sale after you've done partial tenders, you can do that as well. So let's do $10 credit and $5 cash. And now someone decides, okay, take one of those packs of cigarettes off and I'll just buy the Marlboros. So in this case, let's undo our tenders. We're going to void both of them. It's going to put it back to the full balance. I'll take off my Camels, and now I'll just cash out the Marlboros. It's that easy. Like all other functions, you could either put this button on the home screen or completely block it out from any user you want. Thanks for watching this video walkthrough. For more information, email support@insightrs.com or visit us at insightrs.com.